Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Scene card account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now, to sign up for a Scene card account, first you'll be required to open your preferred browser on your computer, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in Scene Plus.ca like this and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected over here, which is the home page of Scene. Now in order to proceed with it in order to proceed with the registration process of the Scene card, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the register and the sign in button available over here. If guys have already created an account on Scene, you will not be required to register. You can simply sign into your account by clicking over here where I'm hovering right now. So with that being said guys, let's proceed with the registration process. So let's click on register over here. And guys, you can see we are directly on the registration process of the Scene card. So enter your email address with which you want to create an account like this, with the @ and your domain name like Gmail or Yahoo. And after that, enter your password like this. And after that, again, re-enter your password in order to confirm it like this. And after you have entered your password and confirmed your password, simply click on the I agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy of the same. And with that being said, you can see over here, did you pick up a card in store that should like to register? If you have picked up a card on your nearest convenience store, you can link your Scene account you just created over here and the card you just bought. With that being said guys, click on this if you want to. If no, if you want to register a new card, click on no. And after choosing all this and after doing all this, click on next, and then you will begin to and then your account will be and then your account and then your Scene card account will be created, and you will have to give some of your personal credentials. So you'll have to do it by yourself. And with that being said guys, this is how you create your Scene card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.